Hello everyone. I just wanted to take a few minutes to clear up some confusion about the queues and about the service dispatch process in Salesforce. I know it's a little bit confusing because it's not the way we've done things in the past, and I just wanted to clear that up. I think what caused the confusion is I created some list views in this drop-down menu, Lubbock queue, Houston queue, queues for all of the different billing points um in our company. And what that did was it kind of gave the impression that you guys weren't seeing what you're supposed to be seeing. And in all reality, in order to see those queues, you need to be assigned to those queues. And we don't have all the queue assignments completely set up yet. If you go through this process today and you don't have access to information that you think you need to have access to, please just reach out to me. Send me an email at salesforce@smithhamiltoninc.com, and I will get you the access that you need. We're going to just dive in real quick, and I'm going to just show you how to create the views that you need to see. Okay, so for this first part, I want to show that I'm logged in as Jeremy, so I'm going to be kind of operating and building these list views for Jeremy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here next to my drop-down menu, uh, and I can say create new view. And what create new view will do is it'll take me to this page where I've got I can create a view, I can filter it by owner, I can filter it by whatever fields and the values in the fields that we need, and then I can add the fields that I want to display. I'm going to go ahead and cancel and come back to this main page because right now all of you should have access to this page, which is the all service calls view, and this shows all the service calls that have been entered. And I've got some pretty good information. I've got the service call name, status, customer address, equipment type, issue type, owner first name, owner last name, and age. Uh, and once again, this is all customizable up to you. I just want to make sure you guys have the information you need. So for today's purposes, I could create a new view, but I'm going to go ahead and just click clone because it's going to copy all of this information, the selected fields anyway. And like I said, that's all customizable. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name of this from all to Lubbock or unassigned calls Lubbock. That's good. Then I'm going to come down here, and when it says filter by owner, all service calls will be by all owners that you have access to. My service calls will be any that you as a user are assigned to, and then queue is any queues that you are a part of. So when I come to queue, and this is unassigned service calls for Lubbock, I'm going to go ahead and come down here to the Lubbock queue, and I'm going to go ahead and add that. Okay, so now when we get down here to filter by additional fields, I can go to any field in the service call, and I can set up filter views based on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to status, and I'm going to say equals. And when I click this magnifying glass, I have a page pop up that says this, and I'm going to go ahead and put entered and dispatched to tech. Okay, so I've just created a quick list view of unassigned calls for Lubbock. And as you can see, there aren't any unassigned calls for Lubbock, but you can see the fields that I have here that will show you the information that uh, you'll have once we start getting service calls in. So this will show any unassigned calls. And so for Jeremy, for instance, he may do this for Amarillo, he may do this for Midland, he may do this for Abilene. And then he has these individual queues that'll show all of those calls. Okay, I'm going to go back to all here, and I'm going to clone this again, and I'm going to put open calls as the title. And once again, I'm going to leave it currently for all service calls. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say, uh, let's see, come down here to owner last name. Uh, and I'm going to say, I'm going to go ahead and I filled in this value field separated by commas, the last names of the technicians that work in this area. And what that's going to do is it's going to search through the last names of every person that these calls have been assigned to, and it's going to bring back all the ones that match that. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to status, and I'm going to say the status uh, is not equal to complete. Okay, so when I save this, this should bring back. I may actually have some calls that fit within this. So as you can see, I've got one call in open calls, and it's assigned to Lloyd Stark, uh, and I can see the status of that. So now when you go up here to the drop-down menu, I've got a couple list views. I've got unassigned calls Lubbock, and I've got open calls. This is just an easy way to put together these list views, and this is going to show you the information that you need to see. If you have any questions, if you need any help, if you need any information to kind of help you know how to build these and what fields to filter by and all that, I'll be more than happy to help you. Just let me know. Shoot me an email at salesforce@smithhamiltoninc.com, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.